Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 7th. Welcome to Google Classroom. Today we are going to start introduction of the novel Oliver Twist by Charles Dickens. Here is the introduction of the novel. It is England 1838 and Oliver Twist is a young boy who has no family. He lives with other boys in a workhouse. This was not unusual at this time. Children did not always go to school. Sometimes they had to work. Oliver is unhappy and he runs away to London. He finds that life is difficult there too. Some people are very rich, but many others are very poor. How can Oliver get enough money for food? At first, people are kind to Oliver in London. However, Oliver quickly learns that not everyone wants to help him. He meets some people who are very poor. Instead of earning money, they take it from other people. They are dishonest and nasty to people. He does not like them, but it is not easy to escape them. How can Oliver find true friends? Okay, well, students, in the introduction of the novel, we are going to learn that it is the story of a young boy who lives in England with other boys in a workhouse. And at that time, children did not go to school and they always had to work. Oliver was unhappy and he ran away to London. He ran away to London to find something better for him because he finds that life is difficult there and the people are not good to him and other children's. Oliver had no family. He is alone. He was alone in London and the people were at first very kind to him, but some people were not kind to him. Okay, now we are going to learn about the Charles Dickens, the novelist of this novel. Charles Dickens was born in 1812 in Portsmouth, England. He enjoyed a happy early childhood until his family moved to London in 1823. And the family did not have much money. At the age of 12, he had to work with other child workers, pasting labels on the bottles of shoe polish in a factory. This experience had a great effect on him and can be seen in his work. Dickens was always concerned for the suffering of the poor and the disadvantaged. Dickens worked as a lawyer's clerk and a journalist before he became famous as the greatest English novelist of the Victorian era. Besides Oliver Twist, his best loved works include A Christmas Carol, David Copperfield, Bleak House, A Tale of Two Cities, Great Expectations, and Our Mutual Friend. Now, here is a brief description of the chapter number 1 of the novel Oliver Twist. Oliver Twist is born in a workhouse and his mother dies immediately after his birth. Oliver's mother has been found lying in the streets the night before. The surgeon noticed that she is not wearing a wedding ring. Okay, students, chapter number 1 is all about Oliver Twist. He was born in a workhouse and his mother dies immediately after his birth.